Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to screen record with internal audio on a MacBook, the system audio. So the first thing that you need to do is open your MacBook, and this is what you'll have in front of you. A lot of applications that you own. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and screen record with internal audio on MacBook system audio. So by default, macOS can screen record, but it cannot record your Mac internal system audio using the built-in screenshot or QuickTime tool to capture system audio. You'll need a third-party application or video, of course, program. So the one that I would recommend is OBS Studio. So basically, you need to go to Google and type in OBS Studio. So basically, go to Google, type in OBS. Here, go, of course, click on download, and then of course go and download it for Mac. Here we have it in the middle. Now when you have downloaded OBS, it will look like this. So this is the program which we of course have, as you can see, and there you can of course go into here. You have, as you can see, the audio of my mic and the audio of the screen, which is here, and you just need to enable it, and you can then start recording, and it will record your screen. I mean, anything that is done on your screen in the, of course, YouTube videos, games, or wherever you are using the audio from. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.